All right, guys, Watts Miner back on site. We are in a nice basement. All right, we are installing a FlexBoss 21 and soon to have another one on the wall over here. But we have a FlexBoss 21, 2 batteries set up. We're getting this all set up today because we're connecting it over to an upgrade that we did. So this customer had two 200 amp panels. We swapped them over to the new Smart Span panels, and it also has a very nice Gridboss connected to it. Okay, so this is what their power side looks like. This guy has a huge service. So if you look into this box, this is a 600 amp service coming in from underground. It's very, very large. All right, and then from there it comes down into this gutter. This gutter goes into one of the smart panels. You can see here, it's already starting to get loaded up with circuits. That is not our critical loads panel, so that is literally just being powered off of the line, off of the utility. Some of those loads we might end up putting into the Gridboss, but for now, we used most of his critical loads and most of the home that he wants to run over on this side. You can see there's a lot of circuits on that side. So this is where the battery backup and the solar will be primarily taking place in off-grid situations. And then in on-grid situations, the Gridboss will manage everything and push all the solar power back out to the meter because we are net metered here. And also both panels can take advantage of the solar power coming in. Just like I said, though, in an off-grid situation, the right side over there completely goes off-grid and is powered by our power station ESS on that side. In the Gridboss, this thing is really cool. The cover's off right now. We have ports for his Generac. We have the line coming in. We have lines going out. This is your main panel coming out for critical loads, and then backup loads is right here. So he still has some more that we could actually put on. And then on top of here, he's got these smart port loads. So I think one is a 60, one is a 40, and two are 90s. And you can put like car chargers and stuff like that right on these ports and then control them from your cell phone, which is really, really cool. Anyway, we're just basically halfway through the project here, and it's going to have to be inspected and get commissioned. So when that happens, I will fill you guys back in and we'll come and revisit this when it's all done. All right. Until then, Watts Miner over and out.